example salary provisions also. Okay, now salary provisions for the month of December. Okay, 31st of December. 31st of December, what is going to happen? My salaries provision. Salaries provision. Okay, in regular practice, salaries provision, what is the accounting entry? Okay, salaries account. Salaries account is going to debit, then to the outstanding account. To the outstanding account is going to credit. Let us assume the salaries which I want to make the payment is a 1 lakh rupees to the employees. Okay, so this is the, then remember, when we are making the plan, when we are going for the option number 1, what will happen? This is the month end provisional entry. The same entry will get reversed in the first day of the next month. Remember, the provisions are nothing but the next day of the, okay, first day of the next month. When 01st Jan 23, this accounting entry, it is going to reversal. Remember, reversal next month. Next month, what will next month? First, or first reversal at first day of the next month, I'll mention first day of the next month. Okay, first day means, okay, 1st January, I just mentioned date also here. Okay, then what is the accounting entry here? Is that your debit will be credit, the credit will be, the credit account will be debit. Okay, now here I am going to mention outstanding account is going to debit the same lakh rupees, then to my the salaries account. Salaries account is going to credit. Okay, then so this is the accounting entry, what it is going to generate. Now maybe as part of the regular practice which I am making for the December month salaries, my organization is making salaries every in the next month of 5th. Let us assume, okay, or 2nd. Okay, 2nd of Jan. Okay, 2nd of Jan 23. Okay, I am making salaries for the month of December. Okay, it's a depends on, some organizations may make the payment 25th of the 25th of the same month or last working day of the month. It's depends on the organization. Okay, now here we are taking an example, 2nd Jan 23, making salaries. Okay, payment of salaries for the month of, for the month of December 2022. Okay, remember, so we are making salaries next month, 2nd every month. Though now here what I am following here, okay, my accounting entry, whenever I am making a payment, okay, my salaries account is going to debit, but now I have, how much amount I have to make the payment? I have to make the payment 1 lakh rupees. But now some amount which I have, which have added additionally. Okay, let us assume 1 lakh 10,000 rupees. Okay, sorry, 1 lakh, okay, 5,000 rupees, which I have to make the payment. Okay, I will explain you at the end. I will explain you impact and all. Okay, now instead of 1 lakh rupees, there is a situation I have to make the payment 1 lakh 5,000 rupees. Then salaries account will be debit, to my bank account will be credit. To my bank account will be credit the same amount. Here you can see the difference. The original amount which I have to make for the month of December salaries is at 1 lakh rupees only. But now at the end, okay, so some 5,000 rupees which I have to make the payment additionally. Okay, I have to make the payment additional amount. Then okay, so 31st of, then 31st of 31st of December 2022. Okay, what is the amount? What is the amount? Is the amount is a 1 lakh rupees only, it is there. Okay, salaries 1 lakh, it is there. Then on 2nd of, sorry, on 2nd of Jan 23, okay, the salaries, okay, which I have added, okay, the salaries, how much I am making the payment, 1 lakh 5,000 rupees. Okay, the original amount which I am making payment. Okay, then at the same time, Then at the same time, even the same, but now even this is for even for December month. You can see here December month salary is 1 lakh rupees only, but originally which I have made the payment, which organization made the payment, 5,000 rupees extra here. Then while preparing my financial statements, okay, for the month of December, okay, while preparing the while preparing the financial statements, nothing but your P&L account, balance sheet, so on. Okay, so profitability effects, profitability profitability effect, how it is going to affect the profitability for, remember, for December month, for December 2022, 2022, okay, how much salaries we have to make the payment? 1 lakh rupees only. Okay, now for January, but now in the month of, in the month of Jan sorry in the month of January 23, 2023, okay, because of, in the month of 2023, because of December month, because of December 2022, okay, we have made is the additional 5,000 rupees, additional 5,000 rupees. So originally in the okay, when we made the provision, only the 1 lakh rupees it is there, but now this is going to impact on your January payments only, because this entry, you can see here, the provision you have not yet made. When you made the provision, okay, December end, for December salaries 1 lakh rupees only, but now when you made even the reversal of entry also, at that point of time also there was no additional amount. But now whenever when the actual salaries payment was happened, at that point of time the payment which has happened is a 5,000 rupees additional amount. But now this 5,000 rupees which is having impact on your, okay, in the month of January, because of December, okay, because of December additional salary payment, I just have taken small amount here only for your understanding purpose only. The similar way you can understand, okay, if you do the similar way for a number of business transaction, it will have impact in your January month statements. Okay, so this is the reason. Okay, so this is the profitability which is going to affect. This is the option number one. Okay, now let me explain you the option number two here. This is the option number one, how the profit it is going to affect in your upcoming months. Then let me explain you the option number two. Option number two, what is the option number two which we have? Option number two, what is the option number? The option number two is the open item management. Option number two is the accrual and deferral. See, remember, first is a accrual and deferral, then option number two is a open item management. Open item management. Okay, so what is mean by open item management? Okay, we'll discuss about the open item management. Now I will take the same example here itself. Okay, I will take the same example here. Standing expenses. Okay, otherwise what I will do, I will write the accounting entry simple. It will be easy for us to understand. Then on 31st of December 2022, my accounting entry, salaries account is going to debit. Okay, let me take the same example. Then to outstanding expenses, to outstanding expenses is going to credit the same. Then so this is the accounting entry is the same. Then here whenever I will go for the open item management, remember, concentrate here. This is also, and also one more thing, This is also interview question. If anyone want to take a note, you can take a note. This is also one of the interview question. I'm repeating once again. This during the interview, they may ask you the question, can you explain about the accrual and deferral concept? Okay, you need to explain the concept accrual and deferral. We have in SAP, we have a two types of month end provisions are there. Okay, in this open item management is a quite common. Okay, but now accrual and deferral they may ask you in the interview. Remember, that is what I'm stressing here. If you want, you can take a note here. Okay, accrual and deferral. Accrual and deferral, we need to explain the concept clearly, and we need to explain the accounting entries also. Okay, for what purpose accrual and deferral when we are going to perform. Okay, then open item management. In the open item management, there will not have any reversal. Here what we have done, we have made a provision for the month of December salaries payment, salaries account, outstanding account. Here the first day of the next month we have reversed the accounting entry, but now in the open item management there will not have any reversal. Okay, and the first, I mean, no reversal. Here I am going to take the same example, 01 Jan 23, no reversal, no reversal entry. Okay, remember. Okay, I am just comparing the similar way. Okay, if you want, you can understand in this way. Okay, for the same I am doing here. Okay, the same I am just mapping here. No reversal entry. This is the one reversal entry which we have performed. No reversal entry for the in. Okay, now then when I am going to make the payment, the second of January, salaries payment which I must have to perform the salaries, right? Okay, on the 2nd Jan 2000, okay, 23. What will be the accounting entry? Directly it's a salaries payment. Okay, salaries payment. Okay, otherwise what I will do, one thing I will do, I will copy from here. Payment for the month of December. What is my accounting entry is a outstanding account is going to debit. What is my outstanding amount, which is a 1 lakh rupees? Then salaries account is going to debit. The additional amount which I am making is the additional which I am going to add then to my bank account, here. Okay, here you can see here salaries account is a directly I am just doing here. Instead of outstanding, here I am just directly entering the salaries account here. But now here you can see here outstanding account, the provision which I made I am showing separately, and the salaries also which I am showing is a separately. Here the 5,000 rupees, the minus is a 1 lakh 5,000 rupees which I am making payment here. Okay, now here the impact while preparing the financial statement profitability, how it is going to affect profitability if we can use the option number 2. If we can use the option number 2 for the month of. Okay, here also the same, here also the same, the impact it will be there. Okay, here also the same, because for the month of December, okay, for the month of December we have the, okay, let me put it that amount also. Okay, for the month of December is a 1 lakh rupees, but now in the month of January 2023, okay, it will be affect because of the December salaries. But now companies, but now we have the two options. Okay, but now impact will be same. Here only the reversal entry which is not there. But now we need to understand the organizations, most of the organizations will follow the which option. Either they can follow the option number 1 or option number 2. Okay, so most of the organization will follow the option number 1 only. Okay, so see, companies will follow option number 1. Okay, then see, if you follow the option number 1, what will happen? We must have to do the I mean the accrual deferral we must have to perform at every month end. Okay, now see, again the accrual and deferral you can perform two ways. One is the entire monthly. Here I just have given an example for monthly. Either you can plan for monthly or you can go for the entire year also. That is, it doesn't matter. Entire year also, instead of entire 12 periods, you can, if you can follow the process for bi-monthly, this is the one of the best practice. Even in the real time also, if you will be there into the support project, monthly you can able to see the okay accrual deferral. But now in the real time also, I'm also telling one thing. In real time, this is not our job. In real time, if you will be there into the support project or implementation project, whatever it may be, during the testing only you need to test whether the scenarios are working or not. But now this is not your activity. In the real time, the end users will, or business people will take care of this one. Okay, but now we need to have a clear visibility about the what are the options in SAP available, then how those options can be used. Okay, now as I told, okay, in case if we go for the options, okay, option number one, okay, instead of year, okay, instead of year end, we can go by the option. Okay, we can use the option number one. In case if we use the option number two, okay, option number one I have already explained, by monthly we must have to do the planning. But now option number two, okay, the person who is going to do the provisions, okay, and the person, okay, see, sometimes what will happen if I am going to use the option number two. Let us assume, okay, Shankar is doing the, okay, I mean he is doing the, okay, I mean month end provisions. Let us assume Mahesh is doing the payment. In such situation, what will happen? Okay, the provisions, okay, the sometimes what will happen, okay, the maybe the person who is making the payment, maybe he can have the clear visibility. Sometimes if we miss some provisions, again it will create some problem. Okay, because the Mahesh, okay, I just have an example. Shankar is, remember, Shankar is creating the provisions, okay, for month end provisions, but now Mahesh is doing payment on behalf of that provisions. Let us assume he has done the 10 provisions. Out of 10 provisions, what Mahesh has done in the during the month end, only the he performed, okay, 8 or 9 provisions related payments only. He forgot to, okay, track the one payment. Okay, the reason maybe what will happen, because he do not have the, he forget, okay, simply because if the person is the same, then he may have the clear visibility, because here the persons are differ. Okay, both persons are differ. In such situation, there will be a chances to missing the provision. So that is the reason, okay, most of the organizations will follow the option number one. Okay, so anyone, Mahesh, okay, in this forum, if anyone is having any further clarification, I mean if you require any clarification, any doubt, please let me know about this accrual and deferral, as well as option number one and option number two. I'm just pausing a minute, so you just ask me the question if you people have any queries.
Yeah, Bhaskar sir,
Yes,
provision
Ibrahim, please.
provision in a sense like we are paying salaries or anything in future futures की ముందే మనం చేస్తాం.
Exactly. See, Ibrahim, provisions are month end activities. Okay, so provisions, either you can make provisions monthly or yearly. Okay, so provisions you can make for anything. Okay, now here I have given an example for the first example which I have given for brokerage. It's a prepaid expenses. I have already made payment for 1 year subscription. Okay, for this 12,000 divided by 12 periods. Okay, we have a 12 periods, right? Every month I have to book the 1,000 rupees, because what accounts department will ask you, because we have already made to a yearly account. amount. So because in my books of accounts I want to show the monthly amount. Okay, you can divide that amount and show it the similar way. I just have given an example. Salaries provision also you can make it, or some expenses. Okay, other some, if you want to wages. Okay, depends on your organization. Okay, you can make provisions. Okay, Ibrahim, it's a depends on your organization requirement.
Clear.
Okay. Okay, Ibrahim. Yeah, no
Clear.
problem. Yeah, Mahesh and Shankar, Ramya, if anyone, you people have any query, so please let me know about this concept. Okay.
Yeah, I don't have any questions. I
Fine,
understand.
fine.
Yeah.
No problem. Yeah, no problem. No problem. Okay. So we'll see that one by one. The option number one, we'll see one by one. Okay. Accrual and deferral, the steps which we need to perform. Okay. We'll see the option. Okay, sorry. Option number one. Okay. The option number one is a accrual, accrual and deferral document, the process flow, how we can build the process flow. Okay, now first one is a steps. What are the steps which we need to perform? Okay, if they, okay, first steps which we need to perform, then step number one is a create. If there is any requirement, creation reversal reason. Okay, see now for option number one, okay, we have an option for reversal, why you are reversing. And re- and the reversal region should allow us to, sorry, allow us to reverse on any day. Then option number, then the steps, step number two is a enter accrual deferral document. Accrual deferral documents. Then we'll make the provision. We'll make the two provisions. Okay, one is the rent provision. Okay, accrual deferral document for this one. Okay, we'll make the provisions. Provisions is a one is for the salaries provision. I have already explained. Okay, we'll make for the salaries provision and as well as the salaries and rent provision. Okay, I will do the, we'll make, we'll make the these two provisions. One is the salary provision and salaries provision related I have already explained you. Then we'll see that one. Okay, then okay, now first we'll see the, we'll create the reversal reason, how we can create the reversal reasons in the system. Let me log in into the system. SPRO, financial accounting, general ledger accounting, business transactions, adjustment, postings and a reversal. Now you can see the define reasons for reversal. Okay, now here this is the concept, this is the options where you can see we have seen while reversing the documents also. Okay, in last session we have discussed about the three reversal options. One is a single document reversal, mass reversal and a reversal of reversal. During that time we have discussed time also we have seen the different reversal reasons. Okay, the same these are the reasons, okay, which we have seen over there. Okay, now if you want, you can define a number of reasons. It's a depends on your organization requirement. Okay, what I will do, let me define the reversal reason. Okay, reason, let me define the Z1. Okay, okay, so see, wherever you can see the starting with, okay, any character, any program, any transaction code, anything which is going to start with Z or Y, this is the client specific, meaning that this is the particular business requirement purpose we are defining this one Z. Okay, but anyhow in the real time sessions I will cover, you don't worry about that one, don't take it that one. Okay, now I will cover that one later on. Okay, real okay, I will deferral reversal reason. Okay, for and also the reversal reasons are at client level, you can use for any company code, there is no relationship to the company code. Okay, I will mention then. So select, you must have to select the negative postings checkbox, the reason being that the debit entry will get credit entry will get. Okay, then alternative posting date checkbox also you must have to select these two checkboxes. Okay, then enter, then save it. Save it. Okay, then come back. Okay, then what we can do, we'll do the provision for the rent. Okay, then reversal reason, we have already seen. Okay, now what we can do, I'm just opening the one more screen. How we can, okay, for accrue for the provisions also we cannot directly do the, as I have shown the earlier transactions. For provisions we have a separate transaction code is available, you have to follow that one. Okay, accounting, financial accounting, since this is the easy access, remember. Okay, I am not there in SPRO transaction. Then general ledger account, financial accounting, general ledgers, then come to the periodic processing, come to closing, then evaluate. See now, for now you can see here, now you can say enter accrual and deferral documents. Okay, now you can see foreign currency revaluation, this is one of the month end activity, all you can see these are all the month end activities. F.81 reverse accrual and deferral, this we can say later on. First let us see the FBS1 is the enter accrual and deferral documents. Okay, click on this one. Now you can see enter the accrual deferral document header, where you can see here. Okay, let me give the, okay, date. Okay, the which I am doing the planning. Okay, I will give the date of the, okay, 31st of 12 2022. Okay, because the last day of the month. Okay, then the document type, you can select the SA, the document type, company code is the V0001. Okay, A001. One moment, let me select this. I think A00. Yes, A001. Then currency is an Indian rupees. Then reversal reason. You can see here, while creation of itself, the system would require is a, okay, reversal reason. Okay, select this one. Select this one, Z1, what I have created. Okay, select this one. Reversal date, because I am performing this, I am entering this accounting entry on last day of the month. But now when you want to, when you are expecting to reverse this accounting entry, the accounting entry which we want to reverse 1st of January. Okay, remember it's a 1st of January. Okay, 1st of January 2023. Then give the 40, then account, let me select that. Okay, as I have explained, two, let's see the two provisionals. One is the rent account which I'm selecting, enter. Now amount, let me rent, let us assume, which I am making is a 50,000 rupees every monthly. Okay, so business area, if it is a required, you can select business, business area. Okay, business area, if it is a required, you can select. Then text I will mention here is the rent provision for the month of December 22. I will mention here. Okay, then the next one is the 50. Okay, outstanding expenses. For outstanding expenses, we have a separate GL account, outstanding expenses. This is a liability account. Then enter star plus here, enter, then display the document, simulate the document. Okay, then this is the accounting entry, rent and outstanding expenses account. Now save the account, save it. Now the document, you just, okay, select the document and save it. Okay, document 8 was posted in company code. Remember the document which was posted in 8. Okay, now now for rent provision we have made a provision. Now let me do the same provision for the salaries also. Give the date, then 40, salaries account. What is my salaries account? Salaries account. Okay, now enter. Okay, period it has been adjusted. Okay, fine, doesn't matter. Then one moment, just getting some call from office. Fine. So enter the amount. Okay, let me enter the salaries amount. Okay, the salaries amount, let me enter the 1 lakh rupees. Okay, then salaries provision for the month of December. Now 50, then outstanding account. Okay, I know that account number which I'm entering here. Okay, now let me enter the star here. Enter. Okay, 10 lakhs I have given. Okay, I will adjust later on. Okay, no problem. Then simulate it. Let me adjust this one. Oh, okay, amount I cannot. Okay, fine, doesn't matter. Okay, fine. Document and simulate it. Let me go here. I have given is the 10 lakhs rupees here. Okay, then save it. Before posting, make sure that, okay, the documents which you have entered, okay, reversal date and everything should be perfect. Then save it. Now reversal date, you can see here. Don't see over there. You can see here reversal date as well as reversal reason. You can check in the header. Okay, it will be available. Don't confuse that one. Okay, if you go here, you cannot able to see that one. Okay, that is what I'm showing here. The reversal date, it is there. The reversal reason also, it is there here. Okay, you just see this one. Then now save it. Okay, document 8 and 9, two documents were posted. Okay, two documents were posted. Now come back. Okay, /n. Now reverse accrual and deferral documents. How can you reverse? Okay, then double click this one. Double click this one. Give the company code. A001, the company code, give the company code, then okay, so company code, then reversal date. Okay, document number, it's okay, reversal posting date, give here is the 01/01/2023, give the date. Then if you know the document numbers, you can enter the document numbers also. There are other criterias also are available, you can select that one. Okay, select that, select select that one, test run. Okay, first you need to see that, okay, test run option. Okay, then see, do not process. Okay, first you need to select for this one, then here test run checkbox I have given, then execute it. Okay, because test run is that you are running in test run mode. Okay, you are running in test run, then execute it. Now what are the documents which are appeared here? Now you can see document number 8, document number 9. Okay, you can see here. Okay, now if you select, still you are in test run, you can see here. Remember this one, why we have given, why we have selected test run before reversing the document, whether the system has pick up the correct, system has determined the correct documents or not. For that could be the reason we have selected the test run option. Okay, now once we see the document numbers which are correct, then come back, then reverse, deselect the test run option. Okay, deselect the test run option, then execute it, then processing completed. Now number of documents reversed, you can see here there are two documents which has been reversed. Now see, now the options which are not appearing, now you may see the document number 10 and 11 might have posted 10 and 11. Okay, then let us go and see the document. Slash n FB03, let me display the document physically here. Let me execute all the documents. Now you can see here document number 10, document number 11 has been posted. Okay, why the 10, 11 and has been posted? These are these two, document number 8 and 9 are the original documents. Let me display this one. You can able to see now here is the reversal document. For this one, what is the reversal document? Let me, now you can see here rent has been debited, outstanding expenses has been credited. Okay, so now reversal, accrual and deferral. Okay, then while making the payment, what you can do, you can do the payment for GL payment. There is a separate transaction code, it is there, I will show you that one. Okay, how to make the payment while paying, while doing the payment, as I have shown in the Excel sheet. This is the example, this is the payment related entry. Okay, up to now, remember, up to now we have posted this, we have posted this accounting entry, then we have performed the reversal. But now this is the payment. If you want to do the payment, the payment is there is a separate transaction code which is there. Okay, for payment I will show you later on. Remember, up to now we have performed, okay, up to here. Now how the reversal documents, you can see for other documents you cannot see the reversal document. You can go and see that for, okay, this also reversed yesterday. Now you can see here this is the original document. For this document there is no reversal option here, right, in the header. Okay, in the above the document, because this document is not the reversed document, this is the original document. Okay, you need to understand. Now document number 10, document number 11 has been posted. How we can how we can perform the accrual and deferral? This is the month end activities. Okay, now what we have done, we have performed the accrual and deferral. This is the option number 1. Now if you want to make the payment, okay, the last one is the last, this is the account, salaries account will be debit, your bank account will be credit. Up to here, this is the one we have performed, this is the one we have performed. Now the pending is, this is the one. Now let us see that how can I do the payment. Slash n f-07 is the post outgoing payments. Post outgoing payments. payments. Okay, it should have the the payment account should have the when you are making the payment 2nd of January, January you are making the payments. Bank account, what is the bank account which you are having? Bank account, let me enter the amount what we have seen. Okay, salaries payment, I think it should have the amount. Open item, select this, open item, outstanding expenses account. If this should have that one, document type KZ. Okay, number ranges are missing. Okay, this is the one. The number ranges will maintain, and we'll see this one. Okay, how to maintain the number ranges, maybe in the upcoming next session I will show you. Okay, then let me, if you want, then maintain FBN1. Okay, before going to that one, what is the document number 15? Now you can see here the system, it is taking automatically KZ. For document type is a OB, OBA7. Come here, OBA7 KZ, right? Document type when payment. Okay, the payment you can see here. This is the 15 number ranges is a missing here. 15. Okay. Now, if you want, you can change the document type here also. Yes, say the document type, it will work now. Okay, and enter required the value data. Since it's a bank related transaction, select this one, enter. It will work here. But now here is the amounts which we have to make 60. What I will do, I will go for the partial payment. 6,90,000 it is there. Partial payment. Let me go to here. 1,05,000 only, right? Okay, I will explain you later on what is meant by this option. Then document which I'm making payment. Now see, bank account is crediting 50. 40 is my outstanding expenses account. What I am making payment now. The final accounting entry. There are options. The full payment, partial payment, residual payment. I will explain you clearly later on. Okay, save it. Now the document 12 has been posted. Now come back. /n FB03 document number 12. Enter. Then you can see here bank account is crediting our outstanding expenses account. It is debiting. What accounting entry we have seen here. Okay, up to here we have seen successfully. Now let us see the so now option number 1, if anyone is having any further query, so please let me know. Option number 1. Okay, fine. Okay, so option number 2, let us see the open item management. Okay, how the open item management it is going to work. Okay, this is used for the the open item management, which is used for the vendors and customer balance sheet items. Okay, the option number 2, open item management, which is applicable for the vendor payments and customer payments and balance sheet items where the clearing is required. Okay, we have to select for this one. Whenever you are performing, you must have to